Have you ever wondered what the three little words in front of your perfume bottle really mean? Eau de Toilette. Would you be surprised if I told you that it translates to toilet water? Really? Toilet water? Is that what we've been wearing for the past couple of centuries? Look, actually, Eau de Toilette is the concentration of the fragrance, how much oil is in that bottle. Now, the problem is with our industry is that we have a dozen of these designations, right? So we have Eau de Toilette, we have cologne, Eau de Cologne, Eau Fraiche, Eau de Toilette, Parfum de Toilette, Eau de Parfum, extract, absolute, concentrate. There's so many of them, and today they've become obsolete. No one really understands them, and they don't really make sense to anybody. So we at Commodity have decided to do away with all this old industry jargon and come up with our own terminology of how to classify fragrance concentrations. Now, when considering fragrance concentrations, there are two important factors. One is, how long does a fragrance last on your skin? The second is, how far away from you does a fragrance project? And so for us, we're really focused on the second part, which is how far a fragrance projects. We believe that you should have control over how far a fragrance is experienced from you. Some people want a fragrance that's very close to them, and others want fragrance that can be smelled anywhere in the room. So we've coined the term scent space, and we'll have three scent spaces. The first one is scent space personal. The second one is scent space expressive, and the third one is scent space bold. So to better explain this, let's say that you're sitting here, and the first scent space is called personal. Scent space personal is designed for the people who like to wear fragrances that are very close to their skin, close to their bodies. And these are fragrances that really require to get really close to somebody in order to smell them. And that's why we say that this is for me and the few that I allow close. Now, the second scent space is called expressive. And expressive is for people who want a fragrance that's perhaps a little bit more diffusive, that projects a little bit more. Let's say you're at a dinner table and you want people to smell, to experience what you're wearing. Or you're in a room in a casual conversation and you want someone across from you to really ask, what is that you're wearing? And that's why we call this for me and the many around me. Now, when we get to the third scent space, right? So the strongest one is called bold, and this is meant for me and everyone in the room. So this is a fragrance that if you want the whole party to smell, or if you want the fragrance to enter the room before you even enter the room, this is the fragrance that you want. And that's why we say, this is for me and everyone else. So you have personal for the ones that are very close to you, you have expressive for the ones that are around you, then you have bold for everyone else in the room. We want the Commodity customer to be in control of what fragrance they wear, how long it projects or how far it projects, and how other people experience their fragrances.